In this next short set of video tutorials, we're going to look at geolocation. We're really going to just be touching on the basics of geolocation, and some other topics we're going to also touch on is error handling, kind of with conditional statements, if else specifically, because when you're working with geolocation, you always want to first check if geolocation is available, and if it is, do one thing, if it's not, do something else. So the other thing too is we're just going to format a link to that. Once we get our geolocation, it'll give us a link to Google Maps. So just to show you guys what we're going to build in this next set of videos. So here we have a button that once you click it, it's going to initiate the geolocation. And it's going to basically get current location is what we're going to be working with. And a browser is going to display to you whether or not you want to allow this to happen. So let's just first say don't allow. Since we don't allow it, we're going to spit out some kind of text on there. And that's what happens when you don't allow geolocation. So that's a little bit of the error handling. Now, if I click on it again and I do allow it to happen, it's going to spit out on the page my latitude, my longitude, the accuracy of those latitude and longitude, potentially, a timestamp. Now, I'm using Safari here, and Safari seems to have a bit of an issue with geolocation's timestamp. So, although it's saying the right date, it's given the wrong year, clearly. And the final thing we're going to create is a link over here, which says click here to get your position on Google Maps. And when you click on it, it actually takes me to my geolocation of where I am on this map. Now for this video, and just for my own privacy, I've kind of hid where I'm at, but essentially this page is actually getting me right there at my address.